Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Yes, I do look a little darker. If you do follow me on Instagram, you probably know by now I just went on vacation with my wife in Hawaii and we had a great time. But during that whole entire trip, I couldn't stop thinking about all the parts and pieces that were coming in the mail for the Benz. So if you guys follow me, you already know that I have a carbon fiber splitter, carbon fiber mirror covers, a carbon fiber big fin diffuser, a carbon fiber spoiler, a carbon fiber roof spoiler, and I'm looking to do some more things, but I'm not quite sure what's available.
Oh, hey Flex. Flattered that you're dreaming of me right now. But let me tell you a couple ways how to step up your carbon fiber game to be like daddies. Yow! Flex, there is no doubt in my mind you are a 204 god. But are you a carbon fiber god? Here is your first purchase, a carbon fiber side skirt. It's going to help you keep planted and aerodynamic when you're on the track in your C250 Sport package. You're going to be gliding through the wind, baby. Gliding. Another purchase you need to do to becoming a carbon fiber god. Carbon fiber rear bumper extensions. Women love extensions. They absolutely love them. Just don't buy these ones that cost as much as my rent. I'm an idiot. I hope you learned a lot today about being a carbon fiber god. It's definitely not easy and it's not cheap. But you know what? I believe in you. I believe in you. Keep me in your thoughts.
Oh. Whoa. I got some carbon fiber pieces. Let's put this on. So these are carbon fiber / fiberglass splitters for your rear bumper. They also call them bumper extensions, whatever you want to call it. There's actually 3 different styles that they come in. The first one, this is kind of the more generic one. This one, the majority of W204s I've seen has them. I want something a little different. Option 2, this is the one that I have. As you can see, the corner points the opposite direction. I think it looks a little more aggressive. And then lastly, option 3, this is similar to the version I bought, but it's a bigger chunk of carbon fiber. It's almost like a full ground effect kit. Looks really cool, but it's very expensive. But again, too rich for my blood. I decided to go with option 2. So let's get to the install. About you guys, but that looks pretty good. Let's do some before and after shots. Well, there you have it, guys. A very easy modification to your car to really enhance the look of the back of your vehicle and also the side profile. I want to thank my buddy Preston, SoCal204. Make sure you follow him on Instagram and also on YouTube. I have links in the description below. He has a really cool Benz and he does a lot of really cool stuff with his car. One of the best bag W204 or C204 Mercedes Benz out there. So definitely make sure you check him out. If you liked the video, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe and I will see you next time. Peace.